So why is FAT important? First of all, is to find the critical defects that may generate really bad events later in the life of your BESS. So the ones that comes to mind are battery fires that will last for several days. And unfortunately today, as soon as you have a fire, including lithium-ion batteries, your name will be all over the news. So this is the first one. Why you want to do a FAT is to ensure that we'll check those critical points. Second is to ensure your return on investment. And here, this is a really interesting point. So you want to check the performance of your BESS is as expected, is according to your BESS specifications. So here for this Valley Center project in the US, it's a bit a funny story because so the return on investment couldn't be met because one or more containers got decommissioned because of a faulty component. So in this case, it was a faulty sprinkler system. And actually, I said it's a funny story because after those containers were turned off, some battery modules got stolen. So it's really a bad case in terms of return on investment. Last but not least, why you should be really careful about FAT and that you should really focus on that today there is no standard for FAT. If you have some experience into BESS, you may have heard about standard like UL9540, UL9540A, but those are only specifically done for the design phase of a BESS. There won't be any tests for the manufacturing of your BESS. Meaning that for the FAT right now, it's a bit like I would say like the Far West. Everyone is making its own test. It's a case-by-case basis, really, because so today each supplier has its own test list. And what we have seen through the different suppliers that we have done FAT at is that even the same supplier for two different clients, we won't conduct the same FAT. It will depend on the name of the final client, to be fair, and also of the times that we have for the FAT. Because one critical challenge for the FAT is that in most of the cases, the supplier wants to ship as soon as possible because there just has been some delays or because the client just wants you. And in the end, it will squeeze the time for the FAT, which is usually a very bad sign.
Visit Sinovoltaics.com to learn more.